Right, so for today's how-to, we're going to jump into a sneak peek on a new feature that we're calling DIY, or Do It Yourself. This is for those of you who have a great travel idea but maybe don't want to lead someone on it, or maybe you are actually supporting organizers and you want to inspire them to lead their own groups. Either way, if you want to put them out there, and currently they'll be for free and in the future they will be a small purchase price on top of those, then you can always take your amazing trip and choose to copy as template. From there, you can give it a name. So this is Amazing DIY Just For You. We're copying that, and then we'll see in here that we've just made a template. Now you can use templates for internal purposes within your team, for example, internal use, or you can publish as DIY on the marketplace. We're going to save that, and we're going to go into our marketplace to see how that looks. Now you can see there's the contrast between the trip that I copied, which is an instant book because I'm leading that, and people can immediately purchase a slot on that trip. Or you can take the same idea and make it a DIY. It's the exact same content, but the difference is when they opt in, then they will actually be choosing to go on their own version of your trip. So remember, this is the Publish as DIY, and if you're interested in this feature, please give us an email or message us within the Zendesk chat, and we will set you up with our influencer package.